When running a flammable gas assessment in HazMap3D, one of the things you have to tell the computer is how many z-steps or how many assessment slices you want the computer to use in running the assessment. And as it reminds you over here, this is picking the number of slices it's going to use, not the increment or the spacing. So when you tell it 5, what it's going to do is it will do an assessment slice at the bottom z, and it will do an assessment slice at the top z, and the remaining z-steps will be spread out evenly over the range that you specified. So you'll have even layer slicing. And then if you increase the number of slices, what it's going to do is it will decrease the spacing, again keeping the layers evenly spaced and keeping the range that you specified. You can see it maxes you out at 40, which is generally kind of excessive for HazMap3D. I would say that in most cases, unless you're assessing a very tall space for flammable gas, 10 to 12 assessment slices is usually plenty. You'll also notice that as you increase the number of assessment layers, the amount of time required to run the assessment increases. Also, the amount of space in the file and the number of pages in your assessment report could potentially increase rather drastically. But you notice as I run all these assessments, the percent coverage at 2 out of n stays at about 64 to 66%. So you're not really changing your accuracy or your results much by increasing or decreasing the number of slices.